everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. I'm Brian with GlueUp. Today I will show you how to apply for a membership. If the organization has shared a link to your desired membership type, you can click directly on that link to begin the application process. If not, simply find the membership you wish to apply for and click Apply. From here, you will see a summary of the membership. Click Apply again to proceed with the process. Fill in the application form. Choose a password. Continue to fill out the member application details. Anything that is required. And then agree to the organization's terms of use and their privacy policy. By doing so, you consent and agree to opt in to this organization's policies. In addition, you will agree to GlueUp's terms of use and privacy policy as well. Click Apply. Again, you will see the amount that is due. Fill in the billing information for this person, including address and tax ID. And then choose the payment method. Credit card is automated online. Check, bank transfer, and cash will be handled by the organization holding the membership. Click Pay, and you'll be done. If the organization has approvals set up for this membership type, there will be a step in between filling out the application and making the payment. Follow the prompts in the email that you receive after your membership has been approved by the organization you are applying to, and then you will be able to enter your payment details. Note, if your application is put into the GlueUp system by someone at the organization, you will skip the data entry portion. Follow the prompts in the confirmation email you have received. That will direct you to the payment method details. And that's all for membership applications. See you in the next tutorial.